This is Harry Vogel, Sound of Australia, the voice off the street. Homeschooling. Oh, geez, I've been watching it. What a bloody joke. You got a couple of generations of people who never listen to their parents and love their kids to death. And once they're 10, they live upstairs in their room, eating corn chips and salsa, and watching porn, probably on the bloody computer. But no, we're going to homeschool them. It's a bloody joke. How can you homeschool kids? You've got to have some form of intellect and interest. And we've got 2 or 3 generations of you that listen to nothing and know nothing. So how are you going to be able to instill that in your kids like it was in us from our parents? Homeschooling. What a joke. Jesus, it's bad enough in the school system, but homeschooling. Good luck with that. This is Harry Vogel.